Hey, this is me trying to make another attempt at coding. I know a bit of Django, but I've forgotten most of the things that I'm supposed to know. So I'm starting by reading the book Django for Beginners and then seeing if I can start a project. I don't know if it will work out for me. My eventual plan is for me to view there some scheduling sort of thing for people that review in OPD or some sort of app that has all the Zambian guidelines for things like medicine. We don't have surgery guidelines, so maybe I'll type in a few articles for surgery and how to manage surgical things. So we'll see. Then I'll upload it and then talk about it. As of now, wish me luck. This is week one, I'm guessing. So today is October the 17th, 2025. I don't know if it will work, but Kaya, let's hope things go well. Bye bye.